Hi guys, so on today's video I want to share with you survey site that you can make money from online, that is legit, that is real. Remember, this channel is no scam zone. I'm not going to share anything that is not true. So I've been able to make £10 from this website. I think that was on the 6th of August, and then this morning, today is 11th, today is Sunday of August, I was able to also make this money from one of these survey sites. This £10 and also this was made from one survey site. Okay, and I'm going to be sharing just how you can also earn from this platform, earn from this website. Now, on some of my videos where people will say, oh, share with us sites that we can make money from as Nigerian. In this video I'm going to be revealing just how you can make money from some of these survey sites even as a Nigerian. So if this looks like what you would like, just stick around till the end. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm heading straight to the video. So the first on the list is Prime Opinion. You guys, I don't know if you've heard about this platform before. I heard about this website, I think that was just last month, but I was skeptical because I have tried a lot of stuff on the internet and it is not always working, especially because I'm a Nigerian and I also live in Nigeria. I did further research and I've discovered how it works. Prime Opinion is a survey website that allows you to just answer questions, share your opinion, your honest review about stuff. You get paid for it. So it was Prime Opinion that paid me on the 6th of August and also this morning. What you will need to be able to access this survey site is what we call VPN. Only reason why everything seems like, oh, it is not working, it is scam, is because you live in Nigeria. So the best way that you can take yourself out of Nigeria is by subscribing to a VPN. There are a couple of VPNs. If you want me to mention any of them, just say in the comment section and I'm going to list a couple of them. But if you know any that is strong, I beg you, please go ahead, sign up, register, subscribe, and then use the VPN. So for Prime Opinion, before you register, all you need to do is to log into your VPN, ensure that it is strong. I'm also going to explain how you can check if your VPN is strong and if it will allow you to work on this survey site, because you're going to be signing up not as a Nigerian but as someone that lives in the UK or someone that lives in the US. That is why you are going to be needing a VPN. It is very, very important. Without that, girl, guy, you're not going to gain access. Let me not even lie to you. So that is that about Prime Opinion. You're going to sign up just for free and then you just set up your profile. While you're setting up your profile, you're going to be asked, what do you do? Basically, I used to go with advertising, marketing, sales, human resources, or IT. Either of these things I just listed. Choose any of that and use it to build your profile. Answer survey questions. You get paid in points, just like you have seen here. You get paid in points, and then they will convert the points. When you get to a threshold of 500 points, which is £5, you get paid, and you can redeem your reward through gift cards and PayPal. So you're going to say, oh, I live in Nigeria, but I do not have PayPal because PayPal is not accessible in Nigeria. Guess what? Let me bust your bubble. I wonder why you are not even calling me Queen of Update, because why not? I'm giving you legit updates now, sweet, smooth update. I do not have a PayPal account. So how was I able to withdraw my money? Reached out to a friend of mine that lives in Nigeria that owns a PayPal account. I reached out to him and then we struck a deal. So whenever I make money from any of these survey sites, I use his PayPal. I use his PayPal email address, and that is exactly what I use to cash out my money. So it drops in his account and then he sends it to me and I give him his commission for it. Of course, nothing goes for nothing. So I do not want this video to be very long. I just wanted to share this update with you guys. The things you will need is that you're going to be needing a VPN. So if you also say, okay, you want to create a PayPal account, oh Titi, how do I go about it? All you need is to buy a UK number. The moment you buy a UK number, it is not even expensive. Funnily enough, I'm planning on buying it this week because The first 10 pounds I got, which was 20,000 naira, I used it to do something very important. And so this 5 pounds just came in this morning. So I have planned that I'm going to be buying my UK number. It's not expensive, it's just I think around 4,500 naira or 5,000 naira. It is not more than that. So you get a UK number, you subscribe, I think for just 1 month. That 5,000 naira or 4,500 is just for 1 month. And right after that, you can use it to create your PayPal account straight up, and you can be receiving your funds directly to your PayPal account. Then you link it to either your Grey account. So if you want me to do a detailed video on Prime Opinion, how I've been able to create my account from start to finish, how I withdraw my money, how I link everything, if you want me to do that video, just comment in the comment section. Do me a detailed video and I'm going to go ahead and do that video. I'll see you in my next one. Please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. See the way I am rushing this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe to me because I am coming with legit updates. I promise you. If it is not working, I am not going to share it. I promise you. So subscribe, turn on your bell notification button, and also share this video with your friends. I'll see you in my next one in a bit. Bye.